Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the ICOSPEAKS channel and website and the best Telegram groups on the internet, which I will link down below. Now, for today's video, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of an AMA session, why your project probably needs it, and what kind of benefits you can get from, first of all, blasting your project with an AMA. So you get a chance to talk to your community, to get some insight from people, and to spread the word. And also, if you're listening to an AMA, the potential to earn some cool rewards. So there's a benefit here for everyone. So let's get into a little intro about the ways that AMA sessions can actually promote your project. Now, first of all, there's a lot of different ways to market your project on the internet. Sometimes Telegram is not the only option. There is a lot of different social media marketing options, and everybody thinks, okay, I'm going to promote my crypto project through social media marketing. No, this is not how it works. Social media is still not ready and capable for the stuff that crypto provides us, and there's not enough people on there to do it. And the one platform that I have been connected inside since 2017 that was always crypto friendly was Telegram, right? It's there, it's efficient, it's effective, and it's a very good platform hosting a huge amount of users and potential clients. Now, if you do an AMA, you will get your project the traction that it deserves by having, a few hundred people listening to you as the CEO of a project. You're talking, you're getting asked random questions, you're answering the questions, you're answering stuff about your project, you're teaching the community and seeing what they have to, first of all, maybe they give you some advice, maybe they ask some smart questions, and also maybe they just follow you on your socials, they join your project, they become a part of your community as well as the ICOSPEAKS community here. Now, why do brands use Telegram to promote your crypto project? Telegram has over 500 million users. Daily, over 55 million people use it. So it's an absolutely huge platform, wide following, and the reason why Telegram marketing is so popular is because these guys don't really use ads, right? There's never ads on Telegram. The only thing you need to do is build a channel or build a group and collect over time a lot of different loyal customers, right? Loyal clients, loyal group members. You reward them occasionally, you give them everything they want to see, you give them AMAs with good projects out there, interesting talks, interesting questions, and sorry about that. In general, it's a very good way to market your product. And ICOSpeaks is one of the largest Telegram groups out there with over 70,000 members that you can take advantage of by simply hosting an AMA. Now, all of these loyal customers continuously engage with the posts in the format of, how Telegram works. It's very simple. You just see a chat, and basically if you're a channel, you're going to be posting info to your group. Everyone sees it. They can leave a like or whatever. Or if it's a group, everybody can talk. And once you're in the AMA, obviously you have a voice channel with the main speakers. So you have the moderators and you have the main project owner, right? The project lead, who's answering questions for the whole community. So with Telegram, all of these brands and crypto companies can target not only people that are in the Telegram group, but people such as, business investors, enthusiasts, based on their age, country, interest, and other factors by targeting Telegram channels. Now, this is a really cool service, and in general, the ICOSpeaks community has a lot of different international people inside, people that invest, people that are part of the crypto world, people that love innovative projects out there. And if you're one of them, it's probably a good idea to, hit us up. Now, a few very important analytics that Telegram allows you to do is growth rate, engagement rate, muted and unmuted notifications, views, new followers, and as you're hosting the AMA, you can very simply, or as you are talking with me, for example, on the AMA, we're able to unmute anybody if they raise their hand and have a good question, and then they can ask a good question, and then we can both comment on it, right? Let's say I'm the moderator and you're the project lead. We can both talk about it very simply. Now, what is a crypto AMA? I probably explained everything pretty nicely to you already, but I want to go through this article because it does provide some interesting points. Now, AMA is an acronym for Ask Me Anything. It basically means that, me and you as the moderator and the project lead will be connected in the sense that we'll be on a voice chat or video chat, and we're going to talk with each other about your project. And the idea is it's informal and it's personal as well, but we do focus on the things that you want us to focus to, right? So if you want to focus on certain aspects of your project, we discuss that beforehand, and then we get into it and we start talking about it, right? Then we allow the community to ask questions as well, so it is a huge interactive discussion with hundreds of people listening. Now, the owner of the crypto project is always responding to spontaneous questions, which is what makes it interesting, and this informal type of thing is why people like to be there and listen, because it's sort of like a crypto space on Twitter, right? You're there, you're listening, you can talk, you can raise your hand, and you can ask a question if you want to. So it allows you to connect with your audience by answering heartfelt and spontaneous questions all the time, but one thing that needs to happen is the interviewee needs to be adequately prepared for the AMA session. So this means we have to plan it out up front, which is no big issue. Now, ICOSpeaks, well, you can check out ICOSpeaks.com for some huge Telegram groups where you can conduct an AMA yourself. Basically, they're probably one of the best Telegram platforms for promotion because they help connect not only people with project owners, but investors, business owners, crypto enthusiasts, everybody worldwide to capitalize on the latest investment opportunities, or even ICOs, which is why it's called ICO Speaks. Now, the ICO Speaks Telegram group offers enthusiasts and investors a great platform to connect and gain insight with innovative project owners and leads. 70,000 members and has hosted over 200 AMA sessions in the past. This is important in Telegram because sometimes to get your stuff out there, to get info about your project out there, you need a reliable platform and you need to look at reach and experience. And communities that have done this 200 times before have a loyal base of consumers or customers, and they're just there, right? They're there to be used to listen to innovation. That's the whole idea. You're innovative, you're talking to these people, you're getting questions asked, and you're having a lot of fun. Now, some of the benefits of AMA sessions to promote your project is, first of all, lead generation. So over 70,000 members, that's a community that you can leverage quite nicely. A chance to improve. So if somebody asks a smart question, you may think, wow, that was a good question. We may implement something like it. Clarification of identity. So if there's something that's unclear about the project, this is your chance to put all cards out on the table through these personal interview sessions. And lastly, faster growth, which is guaranteed as long as you have some interesting answers prepared for the community. Now, how to advertise? It's pretty simple with ICO Speaks. All you need to do is provide your logo, website, and date. And it's necessary because before and after the date, ICO Speaks will promote the crypto AMA to the whole community to get as many people ready as possible. Now, the ICO Speaks team publishes a text format recap for members that missed the session as well and want to still learn about the project. And now about the AMA itself, it's going to be structured, however, still informal, which is a good thing, but there has to be a structure in there. First, it's a review of the website, logo, and project. If everything is approved, then the project owner tells us topics about what you want to discuss, what we need to talk about, what are some key points that should be there, and then it's a back and forth type of thing. It's a dialogue, right? So we talk to the owner. Let's say I'm the moderator, you're the owner. I'm there with the team. I'm telling you, okay, we're gonna ask these questions for the start, be prepared, and then we're gonna let the community loose and see what they have for you as well. Now, a few other things. Well, the order of the event will obviously be planned to make it all structured. Banner and design for the AMA session will be created and promoted, and recaps will be posted later on. So that was everything you need to know about AMAs on ICO Speaks. If you have any questions, comment down below, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.